Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Make Money Online. Before that, we are going to my topic. Kindly click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. If you have a time, kindly visit all my video below on how to making money online, and visit also my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, another website, and Pinterest. Okay guys, this is the main page on how to earn money by playing on Coinbirds. Coinbirds with money withdrawal stable earnings with our affiliate program. Number 1, buy birds, they will lay eggs for you. Number 2, eggs will be stored in the storehouse, collect them. Number 3, sell eggs and you will get silver coins. Number 4, exchange silver coins for real money or buy more birds and they will bring you more income. Start right now, sign up right now and get green bird plus 300 silver coins as a gift. What we have to do is to click sign up here, and then this is our advantage also: reserve fund, payback, stability, 24/7 support, and this is the current sale also. To all replenishment, at the replenishment about $10 times 1 at the replenishment about $50 USD, and times 1 also at the replenishment about $100, and this also times 2 at the replenishment about $200. And now guys, on how to sign up, this is we have to do here to click sign up here, and then registration. Do not register multiple accounts, the system will quickly recognize them and they will be blocked. Then you can register here. You can fill up your nickname, email address, password repeat, and about currency. This is a USD and ROB. And I have read and accept the rules of the project. Kindly check this box and click sign up. And now guys, we are proceeding the payments. Here in the main page of Coinbirds, we are clicking these payments, and they are withdrawing or receiving withdrawal. Most of all is Pure account. They are receiving through the Pure account. And then we are proceed to the roles. The roles here, or roles of the project, kindly read these roles. Read first until the end. And now guys, we are going to about on Coinbirds, how to earn by playing on Coinbirds. About project, Birds price starts with 150 silver coins. Automatic system of eggs collecting eggs without losses and restrictions in time. Collect eggs as it's convenient for you. Even once an hour, even once a day, even once a month, the eggs don't disappear or get rotten. Well organized market allows you swap the eggs for silver coins immediately. maximize past payoffs of money to your wallet. In the process of the game, new blocks will be added which will allow to fill up reserve for buying the eggs that will give additional guarantee to the players. The project has its own currency, gold and silver. There are two types of silver, for purchases and for a withdrawal. For silver, for purchases, you can buy new birds, and silver for the withdrawal, you can exchange for real money and withdraw them to your electronic wallet automatically. To buy birds, you have to replenish your balance for purchase on the amount you need. After replenishing your account, go to bird shop and buy the birds you want. Right after the purchase of birds, you will automatically receive eggs from them. You can see their number in the section Eggs with Warehouse and collect them for further sale for silver coins and exchange for real money. Having questions related to coin birds, to solve the problem, it is enough to apply for help in support of our project, and you will be answered by our support service, which works 24/7 especially for you. Okay guys, we are going to calculate this on how to earn by playing on coin birds. Now we are here to click this calculate. Now we are here, profit calculation. Here you can calculate your profit. Enter the number of birds and as a result get how much they will bring you money in 24 hours. From eggs sold in the warehouse, 70% goes to silver for shopping and 30% to silver for payouts. Please note that your earnings will increase exponentially, for you will buy new birds for silver for buying. To the silver for buying, 0.001277 USD for 24 hours, or to the silver for payouts, 0.000547 USD for 24 hours. This, and if you more information, don't hesitate to click the support. Before you creating a new application, make sure that there is no necessary for your information. Kindly click this or read first before you will be asking for more information about on how to earn playing on coin birds. Okay guys, this is my farm on how to earn money by playing on coin birds. I want to click this buy birds. This is the bird shop. At the shop you can buy different birds. Every bird gives special eggs which can be sold at the market and exchanged for real money. Every type of bird has different amount of eggs. The more expensive the bird is, the more eggs it lays. You can buy then unlimited amount of times. Our birds don't die and will always give eggs. There are different birds. The green, yellow, brown, blue, red, and kingbird. Okay guys, I have already bought 10 birds. Every hour, the green birds giving 5 eggs. And now, as from now, I can't buy of this green bird because I having 131.70 coins silver. The cost of this green bird have 150 silver. I'm still waiting for my coin silver going or reaching 150 silver coin to that I can buy this another green bird. And now guys, we are going to collect my eggs into the warehouse. And now we are click this eggs warehouse. Eggs warehouse, from your nest, eggs go to the warehouse, collect them and sell. You can do it once in 1 minute. Eggs are always stored and kept in the fridge, so you can collect them even once a month. Decide on what is the most convenient for you. I have 10 birds have laid. Now I have 23 eggs. I want to have to do is collect them all. Click collect them all. And then you have successfully collected the eggs. And now guys, I want to sell my eggs that I have already collected into the warehouse. I want to have to do is to click this egg selling. Egg selling, here you can sell eggs and get silver coins which you can swap for real money. The silver coins got after processing are divided between two of your accounts, the account for buying and the account for withdrawal, in proportion. 70% to the account for buying and 30% to the account for withdrawal. Sell rate of eggs, 100 eggs equivalent to 1 silver coin. Now I have already collected my eggs. I have 23 eggs. To the sum of silver coins, I have 0.23 coins, silver coins. And now I click this see all. And now you have sold 23 eggs to the sum of 0.23 silver coins. Okay guys, we are claiming a daily bonus, and we have to do is to click a daily bonus in the left side. Click daily bonus, and the daily bonus is given once in 24 hours. Bonus is given out with silver coins to the account for buying. The sum of the bonus is generated randomly from 10 to 100 silver coins. Now we have to do is click this get a bonus, and now your account for buying the bonus credited in the amount of 23 silver coins. And now guys, regarding of withdrawal funds, I have 64.16 silver coin. I want to click this withdraw funds, and now this is the order pay off. Choose the payment system suitable for you from the list of available pay-offs are made in automatic mode. This is the pure pay-offs with money like this, and this is the Visa card or MasterCard. Like for example, I want to choosing a pay-offs MasterCard International, but there are a minimum cash out or pay-offs we need to do having a 171,382 silver coin for I can withdraw of my funds. Okay guys, this is the other that you can earn money by playing on Ecommerce. You can post to the social media like Facebook, Twitter, or etc. And then this is the referral program. New. Kindly read this one. And then my referrals is the partners program. Invite your friends to the game. You will get silver coins of every replenishment of the account by the person invited by you. The income is unlimited. Even several invited people can bring you more than 100,000 silver coins. This is the partners program. Kindly read this one. And then this is the promo materials. Promo materials. This is the English version, and this is the Russian version also. And then this is the calculate profit. Here, kindly read this one also on how to earn money by playing on coin boards. And then this is the statistics. There are all participants having 177,061 users already, and kindly read this one also. Okay guys, this is all about my video. Kindly click the subscription below of my video, and don't hesitate to click also my affiliate link with my description below of my video. Thank you guys. That it is all about guys of my video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button for updates about all the latest videos of our channel, and press the bell icon and never miss a single notification from us. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.